Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: charged earphones and a steady source. Pair and forget, then repair to reset the link. On your phone or PC, disable other Bluetooth devices and quit streaming apps to reduce interference. Once done, switch codecs to a low-latency option if available, like aptX Low Latency or AAC. This reduces transmission delay. Make sure multipoint is off, because simultaneous connections often introduce lag. These early steps remove common, avoidable latency sources quickly. Now you optimize the connection layer and software. In your audio app or system settings, choose a low-latency codec and set sampling to 44, 1 or 48 kHz for compatibility. Adjust the audio buffer, lower it incrementally until underruns appear, then increase slightly to the last stable value. This shrinks delay without breaking playback. Update earphone firmware and host Bluetooth drivers. Manufacturers often cut latency with updates. Also reposition devices. Clear line of sight and keep the source within a few meters to avoid packet loss and resyncs. Finish by validating real-world latency and preparing fallbacks. Test with a known latency app or a short tone to measure delay. If it's still noticeable, try a dedicated low-latency USB Bluetooth dongle or a wired connection, which eliminates wireless buffering. If audio and video drift remains, power cycle both devices and repair. When issues persist, factory reset the earphones to clear faulty settings. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent lag appears, prioritize interference sources, microwaves, USB 3.0.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.